Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I am super excited today because I'm going to be playing with something that I've only swatched with on my hand, and I don't know if you can see the shift, but anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. This is a duochrome liquid eyeshadow from Rouge Labs, and it's in Basilisk, and it is stunning. It shifts from green to purple, but it looks like it's just showing green. It's so good. But I've been having fun just swatching it on my hand. I wish I could make you see the purple part of it, but it's so beautiful. But I've never played with it before on my eyes, so I'm going to do a look with this beautiful liquid eyeshadow. And I love green, I love purple, and hopefully you'll be able to see some of that reflect. And I'm going to start by putting down a base on my face. I've already got my blush and contour and brows done, so let's dig in with something nice and neutral. I'm so prepared. And this is the Sorceress palette from Jolie Beauty. It's one of my very favorite palettes of all time. And it's got some great neutrals and purples and greens. So I'm going to get a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into conjure, and I'm just going to swipe this nice cool tone taupe onto my lid. You know, I've played with like liquid glittery things, but not a lot of liquid duochrome stuff. So that's very exciting. And I'm gonna go into Hocus, which is a light purple. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on. And this eyeshadow goes on like a dream. And I've got the Sorceress palette from them and the Vampirism palette from them, and they're both beautiful. I haven't used the Vampirism as much, but look at that. It's so beautiful. It's got duochrome in it, but it's a British brand and I totally love them. So now with this done, let's go into this beautiful duochrome, which just looks green to you, which is making me crazy. I'm just gonna paint it on the lid. Let's see if I can't. Tapping it just kind of took some off. So I'm just going to go back in with more. And this duochrome liquid eyeshadow was only like $10. And I ordered it like on a Thursday and I got it on a Friday. Like they shipped it the craziest, fastest. And it was great. And I have a bunch of different colors. It looks really pretty. So now I just gotta let it dry a little bit. Dry a little longer. Kiss a little longer. Kittens a little longer. Longer with Big Red. That Big Red flavor comes right to you. Your fresh breath goes on and on while you chew. Where do I remember these commercials from? And I bastardize them also. And I know it's a lot of fun to watch me wave. I think that's pretty dry. It looks great, even though you can't see the purple. The green looks amazing with that purple eyeshadow. And I'm going to put on some liquid liner from House Labs and pump. Oh, it looks so good with it. That looks cool. And then I'm going to put a little mascara on with Huge from Stila. And that's that. And then for my lip, I want to do something a little fun because we love having fun. I love this purple and green duochrome moment. I'm really getting into liquid eyeshadows. And for my lip, I'm going to do something neutral. Seductress from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And that looks fantastic. I'm super happy with this. And I am loving this so much. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.